Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be changing out the front and rear wipers on my Toyota 4Runner. So you guys probably can't hear it, but it is raining outside right now, and these windshield wipers are pretty old, and it's about time I change them. Now I know most of you guys already know how to change your windshield wipers, but the rear one has been a mystery for a lot of you guys. But I'm going to show you guys what part number you need to change that rear wiper out very easily. Let's go ahead and look at some of the parts and tools we're going to need for this job. Alright, this here are the parts you're going to need for the job. You're going to need two 17-inch wiper blades for the front windshield, and you can pick pretty much any brand you want. I just went with the Costco ones, and they were on sale for about $5 a piece, I believe, or maybe they're $6.99 now because of inflation, but I remember picking these up for about $5. And then the rear one here is a special one from Toyota, straight from Japan. I'll leave a part number on the screen and in the video description for you guys. And this one is special because of the way the wiper arm works in the rear, but this one should make your life much easier to install, and all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Now, like I said, I know most of you guys already know how to change your windshield wipers, but if you don't know how to change the rear one, wait till the end of the video and I'll show you guys how simple it is. Alright guys, we're on the passenger side here, and I'm going to start on this side. It's a little bit easier for filming. And you're going to want to lay your new part up next to the old one. Make sure it's the same size. Obviously, if you bought 17-inch, you should be good to go. Now, this one is a Michelin brand. It came with all kinds of extra stuff because it's universal. And Toyotas don't use any of this stuff, so you can go ahead and just toss it. All you're going to need is the original cover here. It's a little plastic piece you can take off as well. So we're going to go ahead and take off this old one, and don't really know how to take it off, but we're just going to try here. Probably take off this cover first on the sides here. And normally you're supposed to put it in and then go this way to lock it, so you're going to go that way to take it out probably. So just kind of force it down a little bit like that, and you can see it came right out. Now be careful here, don't let go and break your windshield. That'll be bad. And we're going to go ahead and put the new one in. And we're just going to stick it inside this hole right here where it normally goes. And then we're just going to pull it towards the passenger side here. And once it clicks, it's good to go. Close that cover and make sure you take off this piece right here. Alright, that's pretty much it. And you're going to do the same exact thing to the driver's side. And I'll save you guys the time, and we're going to go straight to the rear. Alright guys, we're at the back of the vehicle now, and you can see here, this is my windshield wiper. It's a little crusty back here. It hasn't been replaced in probably 3 or 4 years when I first bought the vehicle, or maybe a little bit longer than that. But if you bought the original part here, you'll notice that it's just a screw-on type. And right here, if you look really closely, you'll see there's 2 holes, or there's actually 3 holes, but you're only going to use 2 of them. And you're basically going to just take off the old one and put the new one right on. Alright, here's a close-up of the blade and the 2 screws like I mentioned. You're just going to want to twist those off. Just take an extra care, especially if your vehicle's rusty. Definitely don't want to rush this. Try not to lose the screws. Alright, these are the 2 screws. I'm going to go ahead and clean this a little bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and prep one of the bolts in here just to hold everything together. It is a 2-piece here. There's a spring in here that wants to kind of escape you. Just make sure you keep that on there. It keeps the pressure on the window. And then we're going to go ahead and just line it up with the hole. Let's start the screw. Alright, that was pretty simple. Get the second screw. Get it started. Alright. Snug it up. Alright, you can see here that metal piece that's in there. It's right in here. You can't really see it that well, but that's what keeps this windshield wiper blade from staying in its normal position here. It's a little spring. All right, that's pretty much it for the rear. All right, you guys, we're pretty much all done with the job here. Obviously, you're gonna want to turn on the windshield wipers before you go out and drive in the rain, just to make sure nothing falls apart or falls off. But once you do that, you should be good to go for 12 months or so. And you can see here, the job was relatively simple, even for the rear blade. Well guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. I'll leave links and part numbers down in the video description so you guys can find it easier. This blade is a little bit expensive, but as you can see, it makes the job really simple and pretty much plug and play. Well guys, if you like videos like this, make sure you guys check out my channel. I have other videos on mods and maintenance, so make sure you guys check those out. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And as always guys, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.